Hello everyone, this is Taryn with Wonderfully Made Handcrafting, and today I have an unboxing of the newer gathered kits from a House of Books. So these kits run $75, full of vintage ephemera and some newer stuff, some clipped out of books and whatnot. So they are $75. You can subscribe quarterly or monthly. And yeah, I just wanted to unbox one of these for you. You can pick color or neutral. I believe this is more of a neutral one. I didn't pick which one I wanted, but it does have some blue hints in there as well. So yeah, let's unbox this and show you what comes in a gathered kit. Now, a House of Books does say they have 100 plus items in each gathered kit. I do have my affiliate link down below in case you want to use that afterwards. Want to grab your own kit. So let's see. I still feel some stuff in here. Let me grab those out. There we go. And don't forget to use this lovely little bag as well. This one has a really fun, almost tweed kind of fabric. Okay, so let's see what we got here. So we have little baggies of goodies. I think this is just some string. Yes. So looks like this fun kind of, it reminds me of when you crimp hair. That's what it kind of reminds me of. Like crimped string. That's fun as a little layering piece behind to add some texture to a cluster. So we have that. We also have this little spool of some silver ribbon. I'm not going to undo this, but this is kind of what it looks like. Kind of like this wave pattern, if you can see that. So it's on this spool. And then I have some different ribbons. This is, it feels velvety. It's kind of pretty colors. And then light pink. And then kind of like an eyelet lace right there. So you're getting a couple of different ribbons and whatnot in your kits. Also have a little package of stamps. Let me open these up if I can and see what ones we have in here. So a lot of these are going to be foreign stamps. That's US, Venezuela. Then we have US. One that was used, it's a butterfly. Oh, this must have fallen off one. And some, let's see, that's another US. Okay, so a lot of these are US. So sometimes you get more different countries and stuff. So I remember using these as a kid. So, yep, that one's cool. United States Air Force, airmail. I am, my brain is not working correctly today, so, but it's airmail. United States of America airmail for 8 cents. So that's an older one. Then this is also 8 cents. This is a cute little Christmas one. I'll keep this out actually for 10 cents. And 3 cents. So yeah, so you got some older and some newer ones in there. I'll show you that little Christmas one too up close. So that is what the Christmas one looks like. And then we have a little baggie that's stamped Create. It looks like it has some game pieces in it, some puzzle pieces, a key, some buttons, yeah, some different metal pieces in there as well. So corners. So yeah, this is a little baggie full of stuff. Then I have some book binding scraps. I'm not going to get these out because they can get a little messy until you use them. But we have a couple little book binding scraps in here. There's some, yeah, I don't know. I'll just show you them. I like using these a lot. A lot of times they have a little bit more of that fun textury look. These might be a little tricky to use because a lot of them are more of just those edge pieces, but you can tear these off and use them. So yeah, little bookbinding scraps. We also have some more. Ooh, I really like this lace. That is a pretty lace. So we have some fabric and this fun edging in gold. So you have a tan, a white, a neutral floral, a black, and then this fun little plaid pattern. And we have some sewing pattern material. This is always fun. I'll definitely be using this soon. I like just like the crinkliness of it all. So I'm going to put that to the side because I know I'll use that soon as well. We have a library card with a little sticky back you can use. And it also has some words that are clipped out of books. So you could make a little collage with words. All the way to the victor. Credits. The Railroad Kings. And the Tiger at Bay. So you could just use these as kind of page starters and get your thoughts kind of flowing with those. I also have a vellum envelope with, it looks like some of their stickers, I believe. So these are made in-house from vintage items. I believe these are stickers. Let's see. Yes, they are. So we have some of those from a house of books in this little vellum envelope. Looks like they made these envelopes too. So that's cool. So you have that. And then you also have a pack of envelopes. So it looks like we have 4 envelopes, one with a window right here, one kind of marbled look, this iridescent kind of one, and just a regular envelope. And then let's move these on to the side, I guess. And we will look at these. So these are going to be more of your vintage goods, I believe. They're pretty fun. So you have an envelope for General American Life Insurance Company from 1940 in here. You have a photo of, it looks like a mom and her baby and her toddler. It is from 1917. So that's cool. I love it when they have handwriting on the back of them. That is sweet. So we have that. Then this used to be a photo. It has some handwriting on the back as well. I'm not sure exactly what happened to it, but it's interesting nonetheless. Then we have some papers from a book. The Story of Jackie Cooper. And then some comics. Popeye. So they're in there. Then you also have United States Glass Company. We've gotten this a couple times. They are fun to use in different journals and whatnot. Pages, you have this kind of lace addition you could add to a page, color it up. Then this is very sweet as well. Merry Christmas, all that's bright and beautiful, happy, wholesome too. I'm hoping very earnestly this Christmas offers you. And it looks like it was never sent, but it was addressed, I think, to Philadelphia. From Claire, maybe? I don't know. Miss Catherine something, but no date. But I it's, I don't know, pretty old. So there's that. And then you have just some lined paper in there as well. So that is what came in this little envelope. Then you have some papers. So they're kind of chunked out with different paper clips. So you have some book pages in here. Tony's scrapbook. Let's see. So you have just a wide variety of pages from different books. Studies on compound prescriptions. Interesting. Polygons. Theory of equations. Common logarithms. Then you have these birds. Let's see. So you have some different owls and bats. Gross. Just a bunch of different owls and different things. This is an interesting beak. Night jars. So I'll have to look that up. A poem. It looks like Nursery Friends from France. So there's a couple different poems in there. Some different currency. People in tennis wear. So there's that. Some patterns. Then you have a bunch of cutouts from different books. So some are going to be like drawings or pictures or photos from books. Some blueprints, bedside table. These are kind of fun. Some statues or carvings, royalty. Some art from art books. House at Old Mystic, Connecticut. Actually visited there as a kid. Litchfield, Connecticut as well. Some more blueprints, painting. Got some more kind of table paper. Another paper clip. These are by a House of Books. I believe these are tabs to fold over and make your own tabs. I probably won't use them that way. I might just kind of make little pieces to add to different clusters. I'd rather kind of just one big paper like this. This is pretty cool, but I think this will be just able to use little pieces of. I like that idea. So this one is double-sided with this on the back side. This one is not, obviously, because it's meant to be made into tabs. So you can make this into your own book paper, whatnot. So there's that. And then there are tags on this page, looks like. I'm trying to see. This is double-sided. I guess it's not. It just feels interesting. But nope, it is one piece of paper. And then we have more books. So you have a couple different book sizes and styles of writing in there. An index, a couple pages of index paper. We also have this map of the world. I'm trying to see if it says what year. It's copyrighted by C.S. Hammond & Co. New York. North America is on the other side. So you have that. And then we have a music paper in here. A couple pages of that. Dictionary maybe. And then some specialty papers. So this one is pretty. I'll save that to the side because I have a project coming up I think that will be good for. This is a very textured, almost like a linen paper. We got this fun paper, some leopard print, and then some more plain just cardstock, maybe coffee dyed right here. And then this one is, I forget what they're called. Someone's going to tell me in the comments because, you know. But when you look through the light, it's hard to see probably for you guys. But it has like that, I can't even think right now. But when you look through, you can see the words and stuff or the logo. So this is a sales bond. So you can see that through the light. Some more bookends, a couple of stamps. This one is from Belgium. So you have one real stamp on there. And then, I'm not sure if, okay, Bolivia, we have a stamp. And then this is about Christmas trees. So I'll keep that out. From December 1938, Blackboard Christmas trees. It's talking about taking a vacation on Greyhound, Santa on strike. So Christmas gold, that will be fun for a project. I'll keep that out. I have a Christmas project I'm thinking of, obviously. And then this one says Country Life in America, May 1907. So Michigan College of Mines, the Bennett School for Girls, in Irvington, Hudson, New York. So this is an old, maybe magazine, something, Country Life in America, and it has like the layout. So that is interesting. Then you have a couple more pages in here. Silent reading, some novels, plans, and exercises for simple seat work. Interesting. I'll have to look more into this. This is Storytelling Hour, Stories Useful, and Character Education. Okay, so this is from the grade teacher, March 1936. Sent for this complete set of Dutch village cutouts. Then we have same, I believe, same magazine, book basket. This reminds me exactly of, what is it called? I don't know. One of my kids' homeschooling pages looks exactly like this. But it looks like someone took pencil and colored in like this. There's a couple pieces that it's been used with pencil. So yeah, 1936, that's kind of cool. Harmonicas. And then some frame and molding, or molding for frames. And then last thing is this table, which we've received before. I've received one of these pages before, and I've actually used it in a Bible journaling page. So that is it, guys. So you're getting a bunch of different pages, some very vintage, and then you have a couple different little extra goodies with that United States Glass Company, some photos, some things that I have put to the side to definitely use. Then you have a bunch of different textures and whatnot with this gather kit. So it's $75. You can subscribe quarterly or monthly, and you get over 100 items for this kit from A House of Books. I'll leave my affiliate link down below. Thank you so much for using that. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't followed me over on Instagram yet, go ahead and do so. It's under Wonderfully Made Handcrafting, same as here. And I hope you have a wonderful day, guys. Bye.